Good day, everyone. This is day 5 for the Beast, the parts truck. So yeah, I'll be taking the tranny out today, and hopefully the guy will be picking it up today or tomorrow, whatever. Yeah. So anyways, got a little bit of work. Bought myself a new saw so I can get this thing out, because you know what, the bolts are so rusty and stuff that yeah, it's just it's easier to cut it all out instead of trying to unbolt everything and heat bolts up, and it just takes too much time. So I bought this. This should help make the job go a little quicker. Yeah. All right, I think we got it done. Finally, it's out. Transmission is out, and my customer is on his way to pick it up. Yeah, we got a lot done today, and as you can see, the motor's stripped pretty much. I took the valve covers and the plenum so I can paint them up, because I have to do a valve cover gasket job on mine. So why not take these ones and clean them up and get them ready for paint and paint them, and while I wait for gaskets to come in the mail. Anyways, yeah, so she's pretty stripped. I got the inside all ripped apart. I'm gonna get the that's the heater core there, so this has to come out, and that's gonna be ready to come out soon. Yeah, I want the heater core out. I have to get this interior panel out because mine is broken, and yeah, I think that's about it for me taking parts off this truck for myself. And I had a lot of people show up today, sold the rims and tires, and pretty much gave the door away. I hate to see it go to the scrap yard, because, well, doors are in really good shape. There's not a lot of rust on them, as you can see. My door handle's busted, but there isn't much rust. A little tiny bit there, that's about it. Other than that, pretty good doors. So yeah, I'd hate to see them go to the wreckers, but the truck has to go next week, so yeah, the doors are in good shape. But anyways, it's gotta go. If you don't buy them now, it's going to be in the scrap. I can't keep them. I don't have room. So yeah, I took the sway bar off today. Took the rack and pinion off today. And it's actually in good shape, so I'm going to keep it for myself. It is right here, because they can get kind of pricey, and it's always nice to have a spare. So yeah, I'll keep that, and then that's pretty much it. It's kind of a sight for sore eyes, isn't it? Look at that bumper. Nice custom flapping in the wind bumper. That's custom. Woohoo! And then this is custom too. The Holy version. She's pretty rusty. So it's gonna go. Yeah, so next time I come back, which will be day 6, I guess. I don't know, I lost track now. I will be just taking off the heater box, and that's it. Oh, the hood. I'm going to take the hood as well. And that's it. I'm done. Off it goes to the scrapyard next week. I got some bad news. I'm not going to end the series off like I wanted to with all the footage that I had of the truck being sold and not scrapped, but sold to the guy who bought the transmission. He wanted the rest of the truck for parts, for whatever, spare parts as well. And anyway, so yeah, he ended up buying the truck off me. I got footage of the truck getting pulled up onto a flatbed in a torrential downpour. That was crazy. Yeah, and it actually, the truck even broke off and slid down the flatbed. I had all that on video, and sad to say, it has been deleted by accident. And yeah, so I'm kind of upset about that. But what are you gonna do? You know, such is life, right? Anyways, I wish the best for him with this, with the rest of the truck and this transmission conversion that he's doing. I got the parts that I wanted off of it. I sold a bunch of parts off of it. Great. I'd like to thank Kevin Watts for letting me use his driveway. Mind you, I did go back and clean everything up, spotless, for him, you know, because, you know, that's the least I could do for him. He was nice enough to let me to use his driveway to rip the truck apart. Anyway, so yeah, this series is done, and I will be shooting another series of. I have come across a 1989 GMC Vandura, and it's got a big story to tell. So it hasn't ran since 2001, and I will be trying to get it running and fixing it up. So stay tuned for that. Be sure to like, subscribe, share if you want, and again, really sorry about the last footage. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Stay tuned for more.